This video will piss off every single IDF soldier and every single Zionist. This is Al Shifaa Hospital in Gaza. They are in the process of rebuilding the hospital, especially the women's section and operation section. Yes, this video will not only piss them off, this video will leave them speechless. As you see, even on the wall, they said, promise we will See, when I told you guys, do not underestimate social media and what we can post on it and what message we can send. This video of them rebuilding the hospital with any materials available is itself a message, a strong message to those that think they can make Palestinians leave their land. We are indigenous to Palestine. We are the true owners. Never underestimate the true owners of the land. And I'm gonna keep repeating it from now on. Never underestimate what you have done and the message you helped from Gaza send out to every hater out there that think they can destroy us.